In this video, I will show you how to add related post section in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is we can head over and scroll down right here until you can see the option for plugins. So click on this Add New Plugin. And then once you have done that, it will actually show you the plugin marketplace of WordPress itself. So click on the search bar right here and then head over and search in here for related posts. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here some applications, so you can choose which ones you want to use for this case. But for this one, you can also add this right here, but this one is only for Plot Sub-Theme, and you can just choose which ones you want to display related posts with widget or under post with advanced options. So for this right here, let's choose this advanced related post. After you have done that, head over and click on this install option. Once you have clicked on this install, it will install this particular plugin to your store. Now, as you can see, the advanced related post has been added already. So in here, you can scroll down until you can see this related post right here. So we can actually click on this particular tool right here. And then it will show you the actual plugin and what it will look like. So you can display after post for this one and make sure that this one has been enabled in order to make sure that related posts are added on the post that they have just read of your customer. You can also toggle in here the relevance by randomly, by date, or by relevance itself. Or you can also choose the same type or same category of post tag. You can choose the settings that you want right here. Once you have done that, click on the save options right here in order to save the relevance of the post that will appear on the relation of the other posts that they have actually seen. Once you have done that, you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon!